Okay, this is a request from a subscriber, and because this is a blue moon energy in Taurus, I figure why not share a money spell that has worked so well in my life. And I'm going to show you guys something really easy and something really easy to do, especially for this upcoming full moon. And it's a good way also, today is Wednesday, you can actually do this as soon as possible. If you did it tonight, it would be great, because Wednesdays are good days to do money drawing. Okay, so first you're going to need obviously a candle, and I have a green candle. This one, you can buy these at the dollar store. They do have a wrapping, and I do suggest that you remove that. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cleanse the candle, because you want to have good energy. We don't want it coming from the dollar store and then straight taking it home and then doing your spell on it. You want to cleanse the candle first, so you can get something plain like this. And then you're also going to need something to cleanse your candle, which I'm using sage preferably. And then I have some oils that we're going to dress the candle with. And then I've got some spices, and I've got to glitter, and let's get right into it. Okay, so I started to burn my sage off camera. One thing to note about candle magic, it's all about your energy and it's all about your intention, because you are the generator of this energy. And so however much you put energy into your candle, it's going to be that much more powerful. So I forgot to mention, I also have a Sharpie. So you're gonna want to cleanse this candle, and I don't know if you can see that. And you're gonna go counterclockwise, okay, with the intention that you are cleansing this candle, and you're just gonna allow the sage to burn through the candle, going counterclockwise. Counterclockwise is to cleanse, and then clockwise is to bring towards. So we're gonna just cleanse that, counterclockwise. Okay, next, after you have cleansed your candle, I usually write the stuff that I want to write on my candle. When you go to a Botanica store, you are going to find candles with writings on them already. But for this video, I got a plain candle, and you can write on it. What I do is I write on it first, because once you put you anoint the candle with the oils, it's going to be hard to write on the candle. So we've already cleansed our candle, and we're charging it up with our energy, and you're going to write money, money, come to me. Okay, I'm going to finish this off camera, but I'm going to put it up right now with the incantation. Money, money, come to me in an abundance 3 times 3. May I be enriched in the best of ways, harming none on its way. This I accept, so mote it be. Bring me money 3 times 3. Okay, so I wrote my incantation, the spell, on my candle, and when you're writing, you really want to feel into it, because there is power, the energy through your hand. Again, you're the generator to the candle. Okay, so next we are going to anoint our candle so that we can energize it. And I don't know if you guys can see, I have sigils written on my palms. I don't know if you can see that. Let me know in a comment down below if you want something on sigils. Okay, so we are going to anoint this candle, and what I have here is I have a money drawing candle, money drawing, and then I have a life of luxury, and I have a high John. So it's pretty self-explanatory when it comes to money drawing, and you're just gonna dab it like this, okay? And you're just going to dress the candle like so, putting in the energy. All right, I'm gonna put that, and you're just going to, it even helps to just recite the incantation while you're doing this. And I'm doing it upwards because I'm bringing it towards me. So money, money, come to me in an abundance 3 times 3. All right, and you're just going to do that with the rest of the oil. I want to explain 2 of the oils that I'm using. High John is actually a very powerful conjure oil to work with, and this helps you accomplish pretty much just about anything. So it could be used for money drawing, good luck, power, success, passion, love, prosperity, and new opportunities. And then Life of Luxury oil is basically if you're wanting a raise, business growth, career advancement, financial prosperity, and just overall success of your goals. So I put in order with High John being the last because I want it to be really amplified. So I'm going to do that again, anoint my candle off camera, and I will show you the rest of this. Okay, so after I've anointed my candle and I've really put in my energy and visualized the money coming to me, what you're going to do is now you're going to dress the inside of the candle. And we don't want to do too much because you do not want this to burn, okay? Like I've had experiences where I put way too much and yeah, it got caught on fire, okay? And we want it to be sure that it is safe, okay? So I've learned many lessons doing this candle stuff. So I'm gonna do the rest of that. Okay, so I went ahead and dressed it on the inside, being careful to not put it obviously on the wick because these are oils, and again it will burn. So next, after this, we are going to add, this is a mixture of gold and green glitter. The reason why I use glitter is it's a symbol for, green is for the money and gold is a symbol of opulence and prosperity and abundance. So I'm just going to put a little bit of that in my candle. Look how pretty this is. So we're just going to do that. Making sure that you are visualizing and adding all that energy in there. And then I have cinnamon. I have some cinnamon and I have cayenne. So the cinnamon is going to be used to attract the money. Okay, this is just to heighten things up. And I'm just going to add a little bit of that cinnamon. And the cayenne is for the speed, okay? Because we want our money to come fast. We do not want to wait for this, okay? We want it to come easily, effortlessly, and quickly, okay? So we're putting that in. And if you want to take it up a little notch, a little further, so that's just me energizing my candle, you can add a little bit of the cinnamon stick. What I'm going to do is actually I'm going to crush this up off camera and I'm just going to put that. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and crushed this up on my mortar and pestle. Like, if I feel like every witch has one, because what happens, even like if you're an herbalist, what happens, sorry, I'm out of breath. I actually ran down and ran back upstairs. TMI, but with this, when you're grinding it in the mortar and pestle, you're adding more of your energy in there and you're energizing the herbs, okay? And also it brings out the fragrance from this fresh cinnamon. So now we have dressed our candle, okay? And now it's fully energized, it's been cleansed. What you're gonna do is basically light it up. Here's the thing, when it comes to candle magic, you're going to want to, again, you're the generator. So you're going to want to nourish your candle on a daily basis. Adding in a little bit more of the oil, drops of it, and reciting the incantation, and you're just going to let it burn. You're going to have that faith and that trust because you have put out your energies out in the universe and that you have faith that it's going to come to you. And the only thing you have to do is just continue to put the energy on a daily basis. I forgot to mention also that once you light it, you can place it, if you have an altar, you can place it on your altar, or you can place it in a safe place that you're able to go to it. I mean, I don't suggest putting these kinds of things in your bedroom, but if you live with other people and your bedroom is the only place to burn your candles, then do that. But be sure that you put it obviously in a nice corner where you can watch it, so that safety first, okay? Safety first, people, safety first. So this, you're probably wondering what these are. These are actually my books of shadows. Like I have my, not all of them have my spells, but I do have this for my spells. And if you want a link to this, because you're probably eyeing like, ooh, what's those books? Like they're so pretty. I will put them down in the description box down below. Aren't they gorgeous? They are. They're so pretty. And this is what it looks like inside. I'll put the link in the description down below. But let me know if this was helpful to you, and let me know what happens, because I tell you, this is so powerful. Okay, again, it's more powerful when you do it in a quiet place and you are in the right mindset, and that you do believe that universe is going to bless you with the money and that you are worthy of it. And I promise you, when I have used this particular incantation, because I have so many, this is the most simplest one. Right away, immediately, like the next day, I'd get like $500, $2,000, you know, $5,000 even. So, and it comes sometimes in little chunks or all at once. So again, leave me a comment down below. Let me know, come back to this video and let me know if it worked for you. I would really appreciate that. And let me know if you want more of these spells. This was something just for the Taurus blue moon. Again, you can do this at any time, but because the blue moon is coming up in Taurus, which is in charge of possessions and material or finances, personal finances, I figure it's a good way to do a money spell. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.